Watch this. I'm uploading this single 2D image to Hitem3D, and in under 30 seconds, it's going to generate a fully textured, production-ready 3D model with clean geometry and sharp textures. No photogrammetry rig, no manual modeling, just pure AI magic. That's Hitem3D v1.5 in action, and 3D AI is getting absolutely insane. This new Hitem3D Pro model can turn any 2D image into detailed 3D models that are sharper, faster, and closer to reality than anything we've seen before. I've been testing it extensively against the top competitors Tripo 3.0 and Hitem 2.5, and the results are shocking. Hitem3D v1.5 represents the convergence of two advanced AI approaches, Ultra 3D's efficiency and Spar 3D's precision. This combination delivers unprecedented speed without sacrificing quality, creating a seamless workflow that actually produces usable results. The centerpiece is the new Hitem3D Pro model, and that resolution number is significant. Higher resolution means more geometric detail, sharper textures, and better accuracy in reproducing fine features. The Hitem3D Pro model operates at a quality level that previous image-to-3D systems couldn't approach. The workflow is remarkably simple. Upload a single image, select your resolution and texture options, hit generate, and within seconds you have a complete 3D model with textures applied. No multi-view photography, no manual modeling, no complex setup. Just one image to full 3D asset. But simple workflows mean nothing if the results aren't good. That's where Hitem3D truly differentiates itself. The output quality is genuinely impressive. Sharp textures, clean geometry, accurate proportions, and attention to fine details that other tools miss entirely. Hitem3D isn't just fast, it's accurate. It beats other AI models like Tripo 3.0 and Hitem 3D, especially on tricky details and accessory shapes. Hitem3D v1.5 excels at detail preservation, geometric accuracy, and texture sharpness. Choose it when you need the highest quality single image to 3D conversion, especially for complex objects with intricate details. The Hitem3D Pro model represents the quality leader in this space. So, if you're tired of complicated 3D tools and want to create models in seconds, give Hitem3D a try. You'll upgrade your creative process and probably save hours.